Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, open the Word document that contains the hyperlink you want to rename. Then place your cursor over the hyperlink. Right click and select Edit Hyperlink. In the dialog box, select the text to display box. Then you have to type the new text you want to use for the hyperlink and click OK. Here are some additional things you have to keep in mind. You can also rename a hyperlink by double clicking on it. This will open the Edit Hyperlink dialog box directly. If the text to display option is grayed out, try placing your cursor in the middle of hyperlink without selecting or highlighting it. Then right click and select Edit Hyperlink. The new text you enter be unique. If you enter the same text for the different hyperlinks, only the first hyperlink will work. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to rename a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.